Okay, now everyone's favorite topic, constructions. Yay! This part is all about using your brain, using logic. What is it that you see here? Okay, this first one. The drawing shows the arcs used to construct what? So I'll tell you first thing, whenever you see something like this on a construction, that means you better draw a line to that big boy. So right here, I'm going to draw a line going through that little X up there, kind of looking like this. All right, so I'm just going to look at that and try to determine what am I making? What did I just do? All right, well, I don't know. So I'm going to look at the answer choices I have, see if it makes any sense. So what I know, the two things I see here are angles. So I only want to talk about angles in my problem. And my answers, all I want to see is angles, the word angle. I'm looking at C and D saying nothing about angle. So what I'm going to do, get rid of them. Nope, get out of here. Don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. All right, now, A and B. Am I looking at a bisector of a given angle, or am I looking at an angle congruent to the other angle? They both look like they're the same size to me, so I'm going to say congruent. B. See how easy that it was? Logic. What do I see? Now for the second one. Which geometric construction is shown in the diagram? What is that? Well, I do see these little X's here, and they've already drawn a line through them. So if I see this line and compare it, it almost looks like this line here, this vertical line, is going through the midpoint, cutting it in half. Okay, all right. Let's look at my answer choices. All I want to see now is something about lines. I don't want to see anything about angles or anything else, just lines. So the first thing I see, D, a bisector of a given angle. Guess what? You're out of here. I'm not looking at angles. Bye, Felicia. All right, now I have A, B, and C. Let's look at these answers. A line segment congruent to a given line, that's A. I don't know. B, a line parallel to a given line. Well, I'm looking at these two lines here, and I know parallel lines are not supposed to touch. I see these two lines here. They're touching pretty hard, so I'm going to say these two lines are not parallel, so get rid of B. Okay. Now, A and C are left. It's either a perpendicular bisector of a segment or a segment congruent to a line segment. But remember that word I used earlier in my observation. I said this line looked like it was going through the middle, right? In the middle, it's cutting that line in what? In half. So it's bisecting. That's how we do in karate. Bisect it. Cut it in half. And that's what it looks like is happening here. So I'm going to say C. That's my answer. Yay.